In the ancient tale of Nephi the Seer, found in the Book of Mormon, there lies a poignant narrative of faith and deliverance. Nephi, renowned for his unwavering belief and divine insight, faced a daunting challenge when scarcity gripped his people. Desperate for relief, Nephi turned to his spiritual gifts, and in his earnest prayers he sought divine aid. Miraculously, a flock of birds descended upon the land, transforming the barren fields into abundant sources of nourishment. Through this simple yet profound act, Nephi's people were saved from the throes of starvation. This tale underscores the power of faith and divine intervention, reminding us that, even in desolation, hope can soar on wings of deliverance. Stay connected for more inspiring stories from the Book of Mormon.